It is another week of Pree Dis. My name is Kruddy, and this week we're here in Portmore at the Art Academy for the Lime Street Football Challenge 2014. Guess what? For the next half an hour, it's all entertainment and lifestyle, so don't move a muscle. Pree Dis starts right now. So it's all about Pree Dis, and we kick off this week's show with highlights from Bacchanal Mass Camp. You know Bacchanal Mass Camp, the spot to be right now each and every week. So check out this DJ Wawa, Lime, and they were there.
All of the above, y'all, tell them the party start. Years gone by. Who the maga girl get in the blind? Lord, to them me see it and me wonder and me ask myself why. Alright, and every model got a shape like a Coca-Cola bottle. Why? But this year in the back of my mind, fat girl me want tackle. So let me tell them, I want a fat girl, I want a roly-poly, I want a big girl. Do make me bad roly-moly, roll fat girl, roll it. I want a fat girl, I want a roly-poly, I want a big girl. You make me bad roly-moly, roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. God that make you, so tell them don't judge your size. When you dress up sexy, tell them don't criticize. Tell them you're well made, you smelling nice. Tell them you're healthy, that's why you're wrong and nice. I love them fat girl cause they thick and warm. Ooh, a fat girl too sell me from this storm. I want a white to bring the bed look down. Oh yeah. I want a fat girl to mash up the tongue. I sing it. I want a fat girl. I want a roly-poly. I want a big girl. Do make me bad roly-poly. Roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. I want a fat girl. I want a roly-poly. I want a big girl. Do make me bad roly-poly. Roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Every time I watch you.
Well, Bacchanal 2014 has been extremely exciting from the start up until now. I mean, it's week number 3. The energy is growing because, as you know, we have another 2 weeks before Digital Night. So, of course, it's a building momentum, you know, up until that time.
So, what can we expect from Digital Night?
Well, Digital Night now has more than enough in store. It will be a night riddled with entertainment. The only thing I can say to Jamaica is come out and experience a Digital Night.
It's all about the Lime Street Challenge 2014 here in Portmore. We're running off to the Sip Spring Water Healthy Living Tip of the week, because with football, you need some wonderful, refreshing water. Check out this right now. How about some football?
Water is the only liquid on earth that safely reduces weight. It removes the byproducts of fat and keeps you fresh and healthy. Drinking water regularly suppresses your appetite to a great extent and limits your food intake. Another distinct feature of water is that it literally contains no calories, therefore contributing significantly to weight loss. This healthy living tip brought to you by Sip Spring Water.
So as you can see, you're watching Pree Dis. My name is Kruddy. We're going for our first commercial break. When we get back, we still have a lot more, so keep it locked.